Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be working on lesson 9.1 and we're going to start with a solve and share. A grocery store display shelf has 4 canned stocks in 3 rows. So maybe you want to continue. I'm going to stop right there and I'm going to do my 3 rows. There are 12 soup cans in each row. So on each row we have 12 soup cans. Now, this sounds very familiar because it's something that we already covered. Now, we see 12 repeated 3 times. So, that could be repeated addition. Let's read the question. How many soup cans are there in the shelf? So, how many soup cans are there in the shelf? Repeated addition. So, we can do 12. 12 plus 12 plus 12. Or, we have 12 being the number repeated. How many times is it being repeated? 3. I'm going to go multiplication since we're working this week on arrays. So I'm going to do lots of love. 2 times 3, 6. Anything times 1 equals the same number. So 3 times 1, 3. So my answer is 36. To double check my work, just to make sure that I did it right, I'm going to add 12 plus 12, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1. Okay, I already used the first 2. I'm missing one more 12. So it's 24 plus 12, 4 plus 2, 2 plus 1. Answers match, so my answer is right. My answer is 36. Okay, in the examples, as you can see, if we do lots of love, 3 times 5 is 15, but they are not carrying the 1 over. They're placing it in the bottom. For this 9.1, we're doing lots of love for other problems, so that way we can practice and not forget what we already learned in 3rd grade. So you could do it again. I'm going to do it again with you. 3 times 5, 15. We carry the 1 over. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. As you can see, we still get the same answer. I don't want to get you confused. Let's stay with lots of love. And I'm going to continue with a guided 34 times 2. You can write it again. I'm going to use the boxes, but I'm still going to do lots of love. 4 times 2, twice of 4, it's 8. Twice of 3 is 68. If you don't know your multiples by memory, of course you can use the multiplications. Number 2, 8 times 3 is 24. We cannot put 24 on the bottom. We need to carry the 2 over. 24. 3 times 1 is 3. 3, but the neighbor gave. So 3, 4, 5. My answer is 54. I love the example that we have on number 3. For 3, use the array and the calculations shown. So we have 3 rows, and they're telling us that each row has 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3 rows of 14. Even though they already did it like that, I know that we're practicing lots of love. So I'm going to do lots of love on the side. 14 on each row, and we have 3 rows. 4 times 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every time we make groups of 10, we regroup. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make a group. We're making a group of 10. So I'm going to carry it over because I'm removing it from here, and I'm going to give it to the tens. So now I have 1 more tens. So how many ones did you have left over? Well, I had 2. Did you give? Yes, I gave 1 of 10. Okay, now 3 times 1. Well, now let's go to a tens. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 1 is 3, but the neighbor gave me 1, so it's 4. So when you're working on your independent practice and on your homework 9.1, you have 2 options. You can do lots of love. Please use your multiples so you can find your answers. Or you could use the 10 base blocks like I did on this problem. So when you're working on your independent practice and on your homework 9.1, you have 2 options. You can do lots of love. Please use your multiples so you can verify your answers, or you can use the base 10 blocks like I did on this problem.